Unleash your imagination and craft breathtaking videos with the AI revolution of Sora. Our journey begins with the spark of an idea before we even hit record. Meticulous storyboarding is key. Think of it as your visual blueprint. Map out your scenes, camera angles, and the emotional arc you want to convey. This foundational step ensures your narrative flows seamlessly and captures exactly what you envision. Sora simplifies this by transforming your concepts into detailed visual sequences. Input your descriptive prompts and watch as Sora begins to interpret your storyboard, generating initial visual representations for each scene. It's like having a digital storyboard artist at your fingertips. Next, we move to the filming stage. But with Sora, this is an AI-driven process. You'll refine your prompts, guiding the AI to generate the specific shots and movements you need. Experiment with camera perspectives, character actions, and environmental details to achieve your desired aesthetic. The platform learns and adapts, giving you granular control over the final output. Once your core footage is generated, the magic of editing comes into play. Sora's intuitive editing suite allows you to piece together your generated clips, adjust pacing, and refine transitions. You have the power to trim, extend, and rearrange scenes with ease, much like traditional video editing, but with enhanced capabilities. Elevate your videos further by adding text overlays for context, applying color grading for mood, and integrating sound effects or music to enhance the immersive experience. Sora provides all the tools to polish your creation, ensuring it's not just visually appealing, but also sonically rich. Finally, optimization is crucial for reaching your audience, whether it's a quick social media snippet, an engaging promotional piece, or a detailed explanatory guide. Sora helps you tailor content for various purposes. Understand your platform and craft your video to maximize engagement and impact, transforming your creative visions into a professional reality.